A fresh outbreak of Ebola virus has prompted the U.S. Peace Corps to pull its staff out of 3 countries in West Africa. The move comes after 2 of the organization's volunteers were exposed to the virus and placed in isolation. The organization is evacuating more than 300 volunteers in Guinea, Liberia and Sierra Leone. Officials say they will monitor the situation closely in conjunction with Centers for Disease Control in the U.S. as they decide when it will be safe to return.
We were concerned about a potentially highly transmissible infectious agent that came in through the emergency room late last night. Until we could get further information, we acted out of an abundance of caution, making sure that all appropriate precautions were in place to protect our patients as well as our healthcare workers.
In Togo, airline ASKI has suspended flights to and from Sierra Leone and Liberia as concern over the spread of the virus has increased since the first death was reported last week in Nigeria's coastal city of Lagos, home to 21 million people. 2 days ago, Togolese Prime Minister along with World Health Organization have visited a new Ebola center set up in the capital Lome, and the Togolese Prime Minister is leaving nothing to chance.
All measures have been taken and put in place. The doctors and medical personnel are available and ready to treat in case we get the patient like that.
And like many other countries around it, Ivory Coast is on high alert about a possible Ebola outbreak. The head of country's infectious disease surveillance center said authorities were making all effort to prevent the infection from reaching the country. In a televised statement this week, Liberia's president announced a quarantine of a number of communities and the closure of schools across the country. These are the toughest measures yet imposed by a West African government in a bid to hold the worst Ebola outbreak on record.